Hi friends, so in this video we are going to see the basics of permutations and combinations. This video will be helpful to those who are pursuing MBA or preparing for bank exams or even school students who have a difficult time understanding the basics of this topic. So many a times I have seen people jump right into the advanced concepts of the permutations and combinations without bothering about the basics. So I think basics are a necessity if we want to jump into the advanced component. So let's start. So first, if you want to know about the permutations and combination, you have to learn about fundamental principle of counting. So just to save your time, I have already made these diagrams in order to understand this fundamental principle of counting well. So it basically states that if there are n number of ways to do one thing and m number of ways to do another thing, then there are n into m number of ways to do the both the things. And if we can restate it as, if there are n number of ways to do one thing, or if there are m number of ways to do another thing, then there are n plus m number of ways, total number of ways to do a particular thing. So what do I mean by that? So let's suppose we have three balls here, ball number 1, 2 and 3. So in how many number of ways do you think I can select a single ball? So the answer is 3. Now how I attained the answer 3? It's simple, right? First we can select the first ball, or we can select the second ball, or we can select the third ball. Now the main focus here is the word or. So what we can do is we do one, I select the first ball, or I select the second ball, or I select the third ball. So the total number of ways by the fundamental principle of counting would be 3 ways. Okay, so now we can have one more variation of this thing, like and. Say suppose I go to a restaurant and there in the main course there are two possibilities. Like I can eat a grilled sandwich or a burger, and there are which are denoted by G, S, and B, and there are three sweets in the menu. Say cake, sweets, and ice cream. So can you figure out how many number of ways would be to wherein I can have my food? So if we calculate it, I can either have a grilled sandwich and a cake, or I can have a grilled sandwich or a sweet, or I can have a grilled sandwich or an ice cream. So I add this number of ways, so that will be 3 number of ways. Or I can have a burger or a cake, a burger or a sweet, or burger or ice cream. So there would be 3 plus 3, 6 number of ways, as we have seen with or. And there is one more way of doing it simply. So like we have two main course items here and three sweets here. So what we do is we simply multiply these items to get the total number of ways. So that will be 6 ways. So a simple question for you, in how like if I have to go to school and there are two choices of bag and three water bottles and two lunch boxes. So can you guess the number of ways in which I can pack the bag and go to school? So my answer coming up in next video. I hope it would be an easy one. Thanks for watching.